This Boston disaster fascinated the city for years, a tidal wave of molasses that bewildered onlookers and researchers alike. On January 15, 1919, a massive storage tank failed, releasing about 2.3 million gallons into the streets. The slick wave toppled carts, crushed horses, and bent storefronts, while puzzled witnesses described a bizarre, slow-moving tide. Investigations showed structural flaws from low alloy steel, faulty welds, and excessive tank pressure on a warm day. The event led to reinforced tanks, stricter safety rules, and routine inspections, proving the mystery was a calculable failure.